In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default department in Zoho Desk. Managing the flow of emails efficiently is crucial for any customer support system, and Zoho Desk offers a range of settings to customize your email management. Changing the default department is an essential task if you've decided to restructure your team or streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the steps to make this change effectively. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. You'll find the Setup icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu full of options. The Setup menu is your hub for personalizing Zoho Desk, offering a wide range of features that let you control every aspect of your support operations. In the Setup menu, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Channels. Channels are where you manage how your customers can reach you. Within Channels, you'll see an option for Email. Click on that to proceed. This area is all about setting up and configuring your email handling preferences, from managing different email addresses associated with various departments to adjusting how emails are processed within those departments. Once inside the Email section, look for the Support Email Address option. This is where all the email addresses currently linked to your departments are listed. This list lets you see at a glance which addresses are associated with your departments and how they are configured to handle incoming emails. Now, you'll need to find the settings related to the email fetching for your current default department. Typically, this involves browsing through your list of email addresses and locating the one that's designated as the default department. Once you've identified it, you'll see options related to its email fetching behavior. To change the default behavior and stop emails sent to this department from being converted into tickets, you'll need to toggle off the option for email fetching. This action is crucial if you're moving responsibilities to another team or department and do not want any new tickets unnecessarily adding to the workload of the default department. Remember, these changes are essential for ensuring your team can work effectively without unnecessary distractions. And that's it. You've successfully made a significant adjustment in Zoho Desk that will help you manage your customer support more effectively. Make sure to double-check your changes and ensure emails are being routed to the updated department as intended. This strategic control over email flow can greatly enhance your team's efficiency and overall productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps streamline your Zoho Desk experience.